Hello everybody, today I am making a healthy homemade beetroot hamburgers. This buns made out of organic beetroots, and also I am also making a salmon fillings. So I baked the buns and look how beautiful they look. The portion size are perfect, it's not that big. Now I am actually cooking the fillings, which I already said it will be salmon. So salmons, onions, paprika, turmeric, some garlic, and cilantros. And this is what the final finish looks like. And I'm also making this sauce. It's actually garlic cilantro sauce. I'm gonna be using it as a dipping, and it is so delicious. And look how thick it is. Okay, so here is our burgers. I already sampled it, and it is gorgeous and delicious. So what do you guys think?